What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create this reflective text effect in Canva PC. So the first thing that we want to do for this effect is to deal with the text part first. So for that we're gonna add a text, we're gonna change the font in which font you like or you want to use, like so. Then what we want to do is to change the color of our background. I'm going for green because I want to make the text white, like so. For this tutorial, I'm going to write Maldives and we're gonna make the text bigger, like so. And what we want to do now is to export our text. So to do that, we're gonna click on Share, then Download. And if you have Canva Pro, what you want to do is to click on Transparent Background. So Canva will remove the background and will make the image PNG. If you don't have Canva Pro, you can use the site from internet to remove the background. So we're going to click on download. As you can see, it downloaded. Then what we want to do is to add a photo in which we want to make the text effect to the blank. I want to do it for this photo. Then what we want to do is to go to apps and we're going to search transform, like so. Then we're going to use the transform image app. Here we're going to upload our image and we want to change its perspective. So to do that, at preview, you can click on it and drag it how you like. So let's do it like this. Then what we want to do is to add it to the design, like so. We're gonna make it smaller and put it in the background. Then what we want to do is to go to elements and we're gonna search shadow. We're gonna add one from graphics, like so. Then we want to decrease the transparency of it and to put it before the text, like so. We're gonna rotate a little bit the text. Then what we want to do is to copy the text and paste it, like so, and go to flip option. And we're gonna flip it vertical. Then we're gonna rotate to match the base of our initial text, like so. Then what we want to do is to click on the text below and go to edit, scroll down, and at apps, we're going to click on see all and scroll down and we're going to have the liquify app. We're going to click on it and we're going to add a melt effect, like so. Then what we want to do is to decrease the melt amount, like this. We're going to exit the edit. Then what we want to do is to click the text below and to decrease its opacity, like so. And as you can see, we got a 3D reflective text on our photo. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.